had to reset private server data just to play this game. Oh no, I forgot to plug this in. Alright. For a second there, I almost literally, that many. Like, that many. I had so much buttons. I just had to reset private server data just to make this video. What? This is I just reset my boosted by current pixels. Formula log 8. In brackets log 8, again in brackets, pixels plus 1, out of brackets. Arrow upwards 1.5 plus 1 dot. The most useful upgrade minus is I'm sure that's the 6 speed is like a bit slower, so I get the pixels. This is the monitors upgrade. I haven't even got to the monitors yet. The music. That's better. Oh my god, it's a bit quiet now, but you couldn't hear me, probably. I'm not the one watching the video. But look, monitor. Oh nice, less tick speed. Where's Pixel 12? This is so expensive. Oh, I have It's expensive now. There's definitely going to be just a bit of waiting here. I guess I'll play some fly music. Right, now that's over. I have lower than 5 monitors. Oh, you need more than 5 monitors. I don't want just that much monitors. These monitors are very worth a lot. Pixel 14, what the? I mean Pixel 12, Pixel 13, and Pixel 11 are pretty OP. Upgrades. Well, at least this. Fill up these monitors. Fill up these monitors with pixels. Monitors are boosted based on pixels. The formula in brackets log 50 in brackets. I think that was a mistake. Pixels out of brackets upwards arrow 1.05 plus 1 dot. Oh, I think that dot at the end is just a full stop. Oh, my throat. Ah, yes, I can live with top. It's like an infinite upgrade, but it isn't infinite. Upgrade. Again, I did the explosion sound, which I think is disgusting. More infinity upgrade stuff. I'm going to try and check on... Oh, God. No, I can't. Roblox automatically translates supported languages in chat. Russian is not supported, I think. It's still 200k pixels. The money's multiplying. The pixels are multiplying. Let's see what I can get my moisturizing. The upgrade. Might as well put some music on. Chill jazz. An official Roblox song. Officially. See, this is the thing I pressed. 3 times scrolling down. Added upgrades. We already had upgrades. Added new badge and also secret upgrade related to it. Facebook. And finally, added Discord server. No, I don't want to install update. Bit of upgrades with a lot of bugs. Added automation settings. Automation settings will be much functional at the next update. Automation is in here. This is the biggest update so far. Added automation. Lots of upgrades. It's fixed one in the Let's see the first update. Revolution is up in this. many upgrades there used to be. Right, Proto Star is a bit loud. Ah! No. Wait, it's only level 2? Oh, why do I keep exploding? Don't like it. Stupid explosion sound. There! Oh, there. Yeah, curse this monitor system. And now, I can't. Formula SQRT in brackets, pixel slash 100k. Wait, what's the variable name for monitors? This is a very math game. I mean, you've made like 7. Oh. Yeah, it was originally just counting up. But then he decided. So if you got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 updates. No, not 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 updates. Oh, apparently. 18, 19, 20, 22. 22 updates! My god. I think you need to chill a bit, don't you? I see these, you could have fit a lot more than just this. Or maybe it's because you just started, you know. I think I know how this works. It's, I think it's like a Surface GUI. You'll see what these are for. You should really see what that case, the picture of Queso is for. Queso's got to be. Queso is truly that fat. He is a black hole. Pimp. 5,000,000 pixels. Believe me, later on the pixels get insane. Only 2.74 pixels? I mean monitors? While we wait once again. That was a bit loud. I'm only saying it's loud because I've got headphones on and I have full volume, so there you go, that's better. Oh, come on, I was getting close.
Don't wait too long.
Well, at least with these headphones on, it's the audio sounds better than when it so you don't hear the same thing twice sometimes. with that when it's playing in the game.
Don't wait too long. Feelings
Almost on this. Hold up, 30 million pixels? I think it's time. Yay. Now I reset. Well, at least I get more pixels faster. It's very good. Upgrade for recovery. 3 times pixel gain. You have a whole factory now. Pixel gain is boosted by monitors. Formula log 5 monitors. Outputs arrow 2+1. Oh wow. Double trouble. Oh, come on. I've got no feeling that these are more. No, they're not more. No. Because of that warning there, I'm gonna have to as the more popular YouTubers say, wrap it up for now. Goodbye, everyone. Time to wrap it up.